trying to calculate how much speed that guy is carrying into those doubles.
I like this side, bro. Yeah. I would never go over that thing.
Wow, nice there.
Drake?
Oh, Drake's making a pass.
Oh, Drake passed me. Just keep on. Oh, jeez, that's closer, guys.
This second jump is a good one to hit with some speed.
Oh, here comes the big thing. Oh, no, this is fun. I like going up this really tall side. Okay, just keep going a little bit because Drake's not up here. I know. Not doing so good because look, Drake's deep. Wow, Eric, you skipped that curve. That was the best one.
That jump right there hit with some speed. That's like a tabletop, so when you land, it's way up higher.
Yeah, I like that. Those kind of jumps, those are cool. Especially this one's down. Oh, that's how you do, okay. On the tail. That's down. Go. Be careful though, fish.
That guy is coming behind you guys.
Okay. Just go to the right.
I think I can take him though.
Watch out! I know. Holy, that guy's already lapped me once. It doesn't matter. Hey, then do it. Eric, he's coming.
He's coming for me? I don't dare hit this one fast enough yet. I gotta practice it a couple more times. Yeah, I can't do that. Uh-huh. That one bottomed out. Woo.
Fish, Dad lapped ya.
Fish is getting lapped. Okay, I'm gonna video you guys coming up this that first tabletop.
Yeah. Oh, so I know how to drink. I don't like the jumps that have super big hills going down.
All right, Drake, give her help. Nice. This one's a little tricky right here. You either got to hit that one at like 40 or 10.
I'm taking it slow here. Dad already went past, but
Right there, Justin. Hit that one hard. Whee! You like to gas it over them.
Oh God, here they come. Yeah, they all three passed. I did not want to. I never want to try that. They all, I just let them. I couldn't. Oh my gosh, I'm going down this line too. Oh jeez, I almost went sideways into that. Drake, I've been following you this whole time. Neither have I. I thought you were just disconnected. Your dad's right behind you. Yeah, these ones I just right there. Come on, sure comes that gang. There comes that guy. That gang is following up on me. The 3 people. Oh yeah, that crew, I hate that crew. What did that? I know, he's so annoying. Oh, going a little fast down these hills. I love this signal right here. I just want to top it, and then you go down. It's so fun. So bumpy. Oh gosh, you're so sick, so I just flew out of my way. I'm definitely calling this. I'm not letting that game. It's right there. Oh, there they go. Okay, now I'm on. I hate that. It's like hundreds. They wear t-shirts. They can spawn. So, yeah, they don't give a crap this year. I know it looks like. Oh, he's so cool. This guy just didn't jump pretty sweet, eh? Yeah, this four-wheeler guy. Oh god, I almost went front over under my school. Yeah, this four-wheeler guy, he's pretty nice. He started talking to me, and then he said, like, cause guys haven't passed me. Yeah, I see you. Yeah. Oh god, that super fast guy's coming behind me. Oh, here comes the bus. He might be pretty fast. Oh, he's smoking through. He's like, oh, he's not behind you, but. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, he's smoking. He's coming right after you. Right up your tailpipe. Don't let him pass.
Hi, right behind ya. Wee.
65. That's what we looked at.
Oh yeah. I saw that, Jake. That's pretty good. Coming after me. Trying to get me.
It looks so easy. You just have to commit.
What the heck? Oh,
right. Boy, I bottomed out on that second one over here when you hit that tabletop, and then the next one. Oh, geez.
I put my foot on that thing. That guy's coming.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. My wrists are so sore.
Mine are too.
That's a 2-stroker, too.
Holy crap, I just jumped that tabletop. That was so scary. I almost fell. I don't know what to jump. That's funny.
Oh, that's how you do it.
What?
No, I don't think these bikes are like probably set.
Oh, yeah.
Because I didn't I just jumped some of those jumps. Mine is like, it sounded like the bike's gonna
Did he endo?
What is Drake and all this? What are you guys? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That's Beast Mode guy? He just triple jumped it. Or Draco though. Drake's right in front of me, so screwed.
Idiot. Right. It's so easy, dude. It's just the right speed.
Well, you can ask them. Every jump has a gear.
Oh.
That's a second gear.
Oh.